You bought into Zomato, but Zomato now has a market cap of 2 lakh crore, almost 2 lakh crore. That makes it in the top 50 companies in terms of market cap. What is the right way to look at a company like Zomato now from the valuation lens? Because survival has happened, turnaround has happened, growth has happened, acquisition has happened. Now it's back to brass tacks, which is let's value this business, which is a high growth business based on either cash flow or on other multiples.
So if things go as is being projected, minus the competition scare, the very recent competition scare coming in, that they are going to disrupt business for Zomato as a whole, I would believe that profit numbers are going to surprise in 2026. The story was good in the food delivery space. Now it's the quick commerce which is keeping expectations quite elevated. So I think when you have a 70-80% GMV growth, particularly so on the quick commerce side, and the path to profitability out here is very, very visible now. You at 2 lakh crores, when your growth is 60-70% in the quick commerce space and your food delivery is 15-20%, they have already articulated doubling the number of stores to 1,000 within the next 3 years. And then when you compare these with other, developed countries, similar businesses, they are trading at some $50-60 billion GMV. I mean, and this is basically a business about habit formation, can't be reversed very, very quickly. And mind you, it's a very high entry barrier business. Just because you want to burn a lot of cash, you would not be able to take market share. Because it's a top of the mind recall, as of now, it's still a duopoly where the second incumbent is not keeping up with the pace at which Zomato is doing. So from that point of view, I think the story remains intact in terms of profitability. What is to be watched out for is the pace of opening up of the store, because that will give you a surety about the GMV on the quick commerce side. And food delivery, how it trickles down into total annual transacting customers into monthly and weekly, and how Zomato Gold plays out in terms of driving that sales would be the matrices to watch out for. All in all, as long as the growth continues, I don't think there is any reason to get worried about Zomato just yet. I mean, of course, competition is something which we need to watch out for, and it's a very strong competitor who has announced intentions to get into the quick commerce and the food delivery space, but it's a high entry barrier business, I would believe. Not so easy to get in and take market share.